sasakay ko na doon yung tukol sa mga yung loan naman na ino-offer nyo for e-transport na 2 billion
yes,
yung inalot nyo doon.
Yes, correct. Yeah.
So, ang sabi dito yung sa info yung mga borrowers na operator or drivers can access for yung loan ng up to 1.5 million until maximum
3
yung 3 million.
Yes,
Meron na bang,
correct.
ang tanong lang
So,
doon, meron na bang nabibili ng pang ganong klaseng sasakyan sa range na yon ng na
yes,
sinabi niyo?
meron. But they can also avail the MSME business fund in case they want a more expensive or kung mas mahal yung bibili nila. But definitely meron. Kasi even the motorcycles na EV, for those drivers or those that are in the transport industry, may mga drivers, pwede silang mag-shift from the regular, let's say, gasoline or diesel vehicles. Gusto na nila mag-electric vehicles. Meron po kaming fund for that. So, pwede silang again, sbcorp.gov.ph.
Yes.
Yeah.
So, yun lang. Gusto natin ipaalam doon sa mga nanonood sa atin ngayon ng mga operators at saka drivers na yung 1.5 million to 3 million, meron na pala kayong makikita na pwedeng mabili doon.
Meron. Actually, yung Love Bus, you can start, it's 1.5 million ang babayad ng operator or ng driver. So, there's many opportunities. Ang best, we will be, the funds will be available starting April 21. So they can go to, we will update them on a more soon, very soon. Pero we have that fund already for them. So lahat ng mga nasa transport industry, the drivers, the ones that want to shift from the jeepney, the regular, let's say, gasoline or diesel jeepney to EV jeep, we have funding for them. So again, 1 year, no payment of principal and interest.
Ma'am, I understand, ini-encourage nga po talaga ng government yung mga tao to use yung mga e-vehicles, yung mga hybrid.
Correct. Yes.
Nailatag na po ba yung mga, kumbagay, additional incentives para po dito sa mga gustong mag-acquire nitong ganitong mga sasakyan?
Actually, for the incentives that we will give, this is for those that will, mga kumpanya na gusto magbukas ng manufacturing or assembly dito sa Pilipinas.
Okay.
So, meron kaming what they call the AVIS, the Electric Vehicle Incentive Strategy. Pero, nasa final stages na po ito. Pero hindi pa namin na ilalabas ito. But very soon, we will soon announce this AVIS na ito, yung incentive scheme, incentive strategy.
So, ang gusto po natin, dito sila gumawa.
Yes, correct. Yes, by investing here, first, magpo-provide ng maraming trabaho. Magbibigay din ng maraming opportunity for the people to avail now of the electric vehicles dahil with this crisis now, ang daming mag-shift. We can see the shift also to electric vehicles. Importante ito. So, hindi tayo masyadong dependent sa gasoline and it's also good for the climate. Yung pollution, makokontrol din.
Yes. So, how soon po natin, ano po yung target natin, Secretary, for the incentives guidance?
We're really hoping very soon. So, we're really working on this. Nasa final stages na siya. So, once ma-finalize ito, ilalabas na po namin ito.